Today we are gonna fix Discord not loading problem. Let's start. The first solution is clearing Discord's cache files. To do this, we press Windows and R keys at the same time. After opening run, we type %appdata% in the search bar and then click on OK. In the folder that opens, we find Discord folder and double click on it. Here we select cache, code cache and GPU cache folders and delete them. Remember, after doing this, you need to log back into your Discord account again. We have cleared Discord's cache files. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is changing DNS. To do this, we come to the search section and search for control panel. After opening control panel, we click on view network status and tasks. After doing that, we click on our connection and then open properties. In the items list, we select IPv4 and then click on properties again. Here, we tick the second option for DNS and set preferred DNS server to 8888 and alternate DNS server to 8844. This DNS belongs to Google and it is completely safe to use. To save the changes, we click on OK and close the tabs. We have changed our DNS. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution is resetting our network. Resetting our network can solve such issues. To do this, we come to the search section and search for CMD. After searching for it, we click on Run as admin. We open CMD as admin. Now, we need to type some codes here. You can find the codes in video description below. You can copy the codes and paste it into CMD from there. Type the codes and hit enter. This process won't harm our PC. To complete the reset, we need to restart. After restarting, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. If you found this guide useful, then consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Take care and see you in the next video.